Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I've partnered with one of my absolute favorite wine brands, Erath. Their Oregon Pinot Noir is my absolute favorite to use during the holiday season to pair with some of our favorite easy family recipes. This Pinot Noir has the most amazing notes of blackberry, anise, and even sandalwood, but it pairs deliciously with salmon. Today we're going to be pairing this Pinot Noir with an amazing maple glazed sheet pan salmon. It's an awesome recipe to make for your entire family over the holidays. So simple, only one pan to clean up, and it pairs perfectly with this Pinot Noir. Now I know sometimes you hear seafood pairs well with white wines, but Pinot Noir has that fruity balance that pairs beautifully with the buttery, rich flavor of salmon. The salmon is bold enough to stand up to a red wine, especially a smooth red wine like this Erath Oregon Pinot Noir. Start by quartering baby red potatoes. Toss in a bowl with olive oil, salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Stir to fully combine. Spread the potatoes onto a prepared baking sheet and cook in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, stir together the mustard, maple syrup, paprika, and an additional 1 teaspoon garlic. Remove the potatoes from the oven and make a place in the middle for the salmon. Place the salmon down the middle of the sheet pan and season with salt and pepper to taste. Brush liberally with the maple glaze. Return the sheet pan to the oven and cook for an additional 15 minutes or until the salmon is done, 145 degrees in the center. Serve with a glass of Erath Oregon Pinot Noir. So there you have it, a super simple dinner recipe that you can make the entire holiday season to please the entire family. For mom and dad, you can pair it with Erath Pinot Noir for an extra delicious taste. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for more details.